So good evening everybody. A few days left to go for the next iBreastBook webinar that will be co-branded by GReTa, and the webinar will be about the basics of cosmetic surgery. Now, you may wonder why surgical oncologists like me, Nicola or Yazan are so involved in cosmetic breast surgery. Do we want to replace plastic surgeons? Not at all. We are not going to do, maybe a few cases, but we are not interested in cosmetic surgery as a regular practice. The real reason why we stress so much the concept of basics of cosmetic surgery for surgical oncologists is that during my career, during my training, I really learned a lot from plastic surgeons doing cosmetic surgery. And you may say, okay, you learned a lot in terms of evaluation of cosmetic results, in terms of shape, in terms of, final assessment of what you did with your surgery while doing, for instance, breast reconstruction or contralateral adjustment. This is not true. What I really need is to handle tissue, to learn the technique for dissection, to understand the anatomy, to understand the morphology of the breast. It is something that it is quite new for surgical oncologists coming for general surgery, for instance, like me, like I was at the beginning. I did my training in general surgery. It's something really new, but it's something that you need to learn if you want to perform breast surgery, not only in a satisfying way in terms of cosmetic results, but also in terms of safety, in terms of good quality, good surgical quality of your work. So the next webinar will have a number of very good speakers, and we will have people coming from all over the world. The webinar will be co-chaired by Maurizio, Nava and Yazan Masannat. Whereas we will have a few speakers coming from Argentina, Alberto Rancati, that will be talking about the basics of anatomy and aesthetic assessment. And then we will be talking about breast augmentation with Burcu, Celet, Ozden from Turkey. And then we will have a lecture, a talk about breast reduction that will be held by Polaris from the United Kingdom. And then there will be a final talk from Maurizio Nava talking about complications, tips and tricks on how to prevent them. So this is a very interesting meeting. And again, I want to invite all of you who is dealing only with surgical oncology of the breast, not doing any kind of breast reconstructive work, to come and listen and watch the videos and listen to the discussion about implants, about cosmetic results, about basic anatomy, and so on. And I'm sure you will get a lot of information that you will use in your everyday clinical practice. So come and join us in a few days. Stay tuned, follow the links on the social media of GReTa and iBreastBook for the next webinar that will be next Saturday. Thank you very much. See you soon. Bye-bye.